Well, what we're gonna do is make this slug less of a slug.
It's time for a 2JZ in this car.
Yeah. That'll be further in the future.
Yes.
All right, so on today's episode, we're doing my buddy Dave's 97 Mustang. Non-PI motor, putting in a PI motor. Hopefully this thing will start making some power, some jam, some backyard mechanic style. Not gonna remember where things go. Bolts go, put them back in their spot, and you won't lose them. Don't need this. What a stupid design this car is. What? Every car is a stupid design.
Yeah, no kidding.
All the clip, all the lock clip parts are all snapping off.
Those plastic ones, right? Yeah. I know, they're all brittle. Oh, this would explain why my oil pressure thing wasn't working. It was halfway plugged in. Okay, pump is done.
Pump is loose.
It's all loosened up. I just got this one bolt. This one here is hitting that line. And I don't know what to do to get around it. Why is this dead?
Some bitch.
See? It's flashing. Always have a good light. Lesson of the day.
It's currently now -2 degrees.
Shut up.
Working in this cold.
No way, eh?
Yeah.
Thank God I got lots of fat.
Our igloos are still okay.
Yeah.
We disconnect the tranny from the engine. The clutch cable stays in, no?
Yes. No. It runs through the bell housing of the engine. No, it doesn't actually. You don't. Why you come in, yo?
It looks like you got black eyes.
It's okay.
You want glasses?
It's because you beat me up all the time.
You want glasses?
No, I'm good.
Look at the black eye.
It's okay.
Got a lot of ducks in this area.
Uh-huh. Canadian ducks.
Canadian ducks. Geese?
No, ducks.
You mean geese?
All right.
Can you, with your tiny hands, unplug this or no?
Which?
Your crank sensor.
There you go.
It's great Canadian weather. It's starting to snow right now. We're doing a motor. Woo. Jeez. this. Only in Canada we get this. And we still work on cars like idiots. Jeez. All right.
So we got to take the intake off in order to get to the top transmission bolts before we can support the transmission to pull the engine. Okay, pull this right out. Do the charges first. We're removing this harness because we got a newer harness to put in the car. This one's all been
They're all hacked up for 32 valve.
pieced together.
And the 32 valve didn't work.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
So backstory, this is like the 4th motor in this car.
This will be engine number. Yeah, this is the 4th motor. This is the 3rd motor. Yeah, so 4th motor. Holy cow.
Ford built tough.
First on race day.
Yeah. First on race day to break down.
Actually, this car let me down a lot this year, man. A lot. Oh. It's gonna break. It's gonna break. I can feel it twisting. Try it. Why is this so hard? It's a little bit more twisting. Get it twisted. Yeah. Yeah. all this work for 40 more horsepower. Actually, no, it's almost 60 more horsepower. This was a truck engine. Didn't last very long. Only like 6,000 kilometers out of it. Sad, eh?
It's the longest 6,000 kilometers. 4 years, 5 years?
No, 2004.
What the hell? It's still snowing again?
Actually, you're the one who busted my balls to get this car running again.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry.
See, I told you so. Look at this f***ing snow. Okay. See?
So this is the non-PI intake. You can see the ports there around and small. And the depth of this is a lot shallower compared to the PI head intake, which is this one here. You can see the ports are a lot bigger. And
actually, the runners on the top are different size as well.
Well, it's longer at the bottom here, and it's a lot thicker up here.
And it's not as curved, so you get better flow.
Compared to the non-PI, which is a lot smaller. So, yeah, if the heads weren't damaged on this one, on this motor was PI intake swap. Yeah, pulling out the motor now. Intake off. Now we got 2 more bolts back there, 1 and 2 for the tranny, and then
the 2 engine mounts.
2 engine mounts. And we're ready to pull her out. So,
out of good old Sally. Look at this weather.
oh, the weather outside is weather.
Dave, look at this weather. This is Canada.
You back this a couple of times. Oh yeah.
Hit the boat?
Yep.
Good.
Good shot.
You loosen?
Yep.
Yeah, boy. But that's the power.
Hmm. She came out. She came out. Where's the bolt? There it is.
Keep going. Bit more. Bit more. There it is.
What's that, the chain clip?
Okay, lift. We gotta go back and sit the firewall now. See? This all hit the firewall. Get that pry bar, the big one that I just threw on the floor over there. I think it's just wedged up against that side. But I could be wrong. Are you free? There it is. Giddy up. Lift this puppy, man. So I've decided to go a little bit more of a cleaner look. We're nearing the end of the engine being taken out, and we're replacing the release bearing since I'm putting a new clutch in the car. And we're gonna replace it with a brand new Ford part. And basically I am going to take extra steps and clean the engine bay up just to make the car look a little bit more presentable, because the car is 22 years old, but it's aged well, and it's an original paint car, and there's no rust on this car. And we thought, well, I thought that we'd have further progress at this point, but we ran into a few little snags here and there, but we did good today, considering we're working on the floor here. Yeah, episode 1 is on the Super Mustang that Dave just loves working on.
This is the only domestic car I've ever worked on.
On the next episode, you'll be seeing an engine being installed in this car. And hopefully running. But we'll see. And it's been a rough day, to say the least. But we got it done. It's been cold. That's the problem. Canada, all you Canadians out there, you know it. Next time it'll be warmer, I hope, when you see it going back in.
And now, the weather, being the weather, is sunny outside. Alright, that's day 1. Episode 1, day 1 of the Mustang.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be many more episodes. Yeah, keep you guys updated. Hope you enjoyed.
Oh, shit. I got it. I got it all right. No.
Yeah?
Okay. Eh? Oh my god. It's like a floppy penis.
You know what I use for eggs? Somebody's quackish. Somebody's underwears. I bought a bag of eggs and I find underwears.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
That's what I find in those bags of eggs that I buy at the store.
Come on.
Someone's underwear and socks and weird shit.